If you feel limited by the flat world of 3-axis machining, it's time to take a look at aggregates. Chuck Shive here with Onsrud Chips and Tips. As you know, on a 3-axis machine, material is processed vertically, left to right, front to back, and up and down. The tools I'm going to share with you today can expand the capabilities of your 3-axis machine so that you can approach your workpiece from the sides and perform angle work as well. You don't need a C-axis or a 5-axis machine. You might not even need to change your work holding. With these tools, you're able to perform unique machining operations to create intricate joinery and complex 3D shapes very quickly and very efficiently. I'm just too excited to wait, so let's jump right in with this hefty one. This is a Quattro aggregate head made by ATEMAG. What's unique about this unit is it has 4 outputs. Each side can hold different bits or the same ones. You can perform lateral operations in any order, whether it be boring, routing, sawing, mortising, whatever your application requires, without the spindle having to travel back and forth to your tool change. Or maybe some of you are even changing out those tools manually. This is a big time saver for you. Just like other aggregates, this Quattro fits directly into your standard HSK or ISO spindle, giving you that side drilling or angled routing capability. And here's another aggregate I can't wait to show you. This is the ATEMAG Vertineo. This aggregate is a specialized 3-in-1 drilling unit engineered specifically for cabinet manufacturing. Turning in unison, it drills not 1, but 3 holes at once. So in a single step, you get the main pocket and 2 other holes for precise Cabineo furniture connections. Now, can you achieve this same 3-hole pattern with a single bit? Sure, but that requires multiple passes. With this aggregate, you're able to complete all 3 holes as much as 66% faster, while also reducing the chance of a programming error. The Quattro and this Vertineo are just a couple of specialized aggregates that are available for your 3-axis machines. As you can see, aggregates are a cost-saving investment, opening up a world of new capabilities for your 3-axis machine, and in turn, giving you more opportunities for product offerings. And if you're already using an aggregate in your shop, please send us a video. We'd love to showcase your work. Be safe, stay healthy. I'm Chuck Shive. Thanks for tuning in.